One of my favorites, let's talk about the principle of emphasis, okay? So you're going to learn about emphasis by looking at examples. Then you are going to tell me how you think emphasis was created in that painting by Keith Haring. Please make sure you're giving complete answers. Then you're going to look at ways to create emphasis simplified by small designs through size, color, movement, and leading lines. Describe to me how emphasis was created in this design on the right-hand side. What's the first level of emphasis? What's the second level of emphasis? So what do you look at first and what do you look at second? Okay, then you're going to do a chalk talk, and your teacher is going to break you into groups, and then probably using Zoom, and then you're going to choose a color, and you're going to just have a typed conversation with the other students in your group. Your teacher will go through this with you more in detail. If you want to make a comment about another person's comment, draw an arrow and then a text box that gives your comment. And then look at these other designs by Louis Reith, and you're going to have talk discussions on those as well. And then what you're going to do is look at the example of my students' artwork on how they created emphasis, and you're going to tell me what has emphasis and that the method that was used to create emphasis on each of those designs, okay? And then you're going to create your own designs using geometric shapes and try to create emphasis in the method that is described below each canvas, all right? So on your first one, it's implied movement, and I'm going to use arrows. The next design is leading lines or placement. So I'm going to create a triangle that kind of leads your eye up and then put probably a circle on the top, which gives the circle emphasis. Now your design should be different than mine. Please don't try recreating my designs. You need to create your own design. Next, you're going to create one using size, and then you're going to create emphasis using color or value. Okay, then choose your favorite design and recreate it in that larger box. Use this design that's already created to show me how to create emphasis on one of those circles. And please, again, do a different design than what I'm doing, okay? Okay, so if you go up and hit on Format Options, You can see over here that you can create some cool effects. So play around with that. I'm going to do a reflection, and you can change where the reflection hits, make it less, and that's how I'm going to create emphasis in my design. All right, this is another one where you're going to create emphasis using most likely color or value. Please create your own design. Don't create the one that I'm doing. Last but not least, go into the rubric, choose how you feel like you did on this assignment, and then turn it into your teacher. Hope you guys did a good job on this. Make sure you do your best work on everything that you create, even when it's digital.